Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Tech. Come on in. Odogu is those laptops are in everything in tech. These phones were imported just 2 days ago at premium quality, and I promise you'll love the experience. I give you my personal guarantee that you can use this phone for a full year. They are rugged, music to tough to quality microphones.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to create any type of advertisement, be it commercial or any types of advertisement. Just make sure you watch this video to end and you will surely learn something new. Okay, so what we need in this advert is a clear prompt from ChatGPT. You understand? So you will tell ChatGPT exactly what you need, what you want, the type of a person that you want for this advert. If you want to use your face to do the advert, fine. I have already done one of the videos on how to use your face to do advert or to act as an actor or actress in your AI movies. So you can go there and watch the video and know exactly how to use your face. Okay, so in this video I will teach you everything step by step. You can use this video. You can do adverts on a commercial advert, like let's say where they are selling cars or any all this gadget phone and other things, or where they are selling food stuff, fruits, or any type of advert. You understand? So in this video, I will show you everything step by step. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive in and I will show you everything. Okay, so what we need is to go to our ChatGPT. We go to our ChatGPT and explain everything to ChatGPT. You understand? So give ChatGPT a good command, and I'm sure ChatGPT will give you a good result. Okay. Right now I'm in my ChatGPT. So what I have to do now is to either, as usual, either I type or I use voice notes. Okay. So I'll use voice note to explain everything to ChatGPT. Okay. So hi ChatGPT, I want you to create. I want you to create image for me. I want to do adverts on where they are selling phone. So I want you to give me to generate an image prompt. The image prompt will be like this. I want to use a woman, if a fair Nigerian girl, tall, slim, well shaped. Okay, so yeah, I want her in this ad. Then I want a very big shop where they are selling a lot of phone, a boom mic, all these electronics. Okay, so then what else? Nothing much. Just generate this exactly what I said. So I want the girl to stand little far from the shop, so that when I will generate the video, then she will be walking towards the direction of the shop. Okay, so I want her to stand outside so that the video prompt will do the rest. Okay, yeah. Now I have sent my command to ChatGPT. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay, so I'm waiting for the results. Okay, the result is here. Okay, the image generation is here. Okay, okay. All right. So what I'll do now is to copy this image description. Okay, and I'll have to copy. Sorry, I have to copy. Then I'll go straight to my Wist AI. You understand? So I can still go straight to Grok. You understand, with this same pattern, but I want to go through uh, Whisk AI. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, all I have to do is to go to have to go to okay, then I'll have to okay, this is my Whisk AI. I'll just have to click this AI. Sometimes I just have to click this first one. Okay, I'll just have to cancel. Okay, enter tools. Then I'll have to click this enter image. Then I'll paste my prompt. Right. Then I'll have to click generate. So let's wait and see the results. I don't know the reason why I chose this process, but let's see. Let's watch and see. I can still get the same results if I choose to go straight to Grok. You understand? So, but I like we say I, but I don't know the reason why. Well, let's see. Okay, the picture is here. So what I have to do is to still save. Then I'll save. I'll go to my file. I'll go to my file and save, so that I'll save it to my phone. Then I'll have to look for it. Okay, the image is here. Okay, then I'll have to click save image. Okay, seems like ChatGPT is not working at the moment. So what I will do now is to go to my Gemini. So I'll be making use of this Gemini to generate my video prompt. So I'll go to my okay. Maybe I have to create new page. So I will I will send my command here. So that it will generate everything that I want. Hi, I want you to I want you to generate I want you to generate a video prompt for me, and I want it this way. It is an advert. Okay, I already have a picture of the lady that I want to use. Okay, So I want it scene 1 to scene 2. Okay, so the scene 1 should be when the entrance of the shop, when the girl will say something like, welcome to welcome to Odogu Gadget and Text. Okay, the Odogu Gadget and Text will be written boldly at the entrance of this shop. Okay, then when after the girl must have made the first statement, now she will walk slowly. She walk into the shop and say, welcome to Odogu Gadget and Text. We specialize in all kind of phone accessories, laptop and laptop mic, boom mic, uh, other electronics. Okay, in Odogu Gadgets and Text, we offer you the best rate. We have a lot of phone that we imported 2 days ago. I can give you a guarantee that you can use this phone for 1 year. The phone has water resistance, and I can assure you that even if the phone falls from 2-story building, you will just go down straight and pick the phone without any scratch. And I can assure you that if any scratch found in this particular phone, return it and we would give you another one. I'm giving you the assurance. Okay. Then after she must have made this second statement, okay, she will say something. She will now point at other phone accessories in the shop, especially big speakers and other musical instruments. You understand, like MP, other mic. Okay, you can do it better. You understand? Then she'll be pointing at them one after the other. You understand? And you know how, the advert mood. She should be happy, walking gently inside the shop. She should not cross over anything. You understand? So she should just be making use of the space given to her in the shop. You understand? So that there will not be anything like confusion. And okay, so you just speak calmly, smile, and act professionally. Okay, so generate the video prompt for me. 6 seconds by 5. That is 5 scenes. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. Okay, so generate it now.
I have created a 5-scene video advert prompt for Odagu Gadgets and Text based on.
Okay, now I have sent my command to Gemini, since our ChatGPT is not working at the moment. So let's wait and see the results. Okay, so okay, okay, okay. All we just have to do is to copy from here. No, not all. Go down. scene 2. Okay, then stop here. Okay, then we head over to grok. You head over to grok. Then I will import the video, the picture. So the picture is here. Because you say the 60 seconds, so I'll just return it back to this 6 seconds. Then I have to paste my video prompt, so I just have to click. So let's wait and see the results. Okay, okay. Grok now gives me two options, so I should choose from any of these two video now to know the best one that describe exactly what I want. Okay, so let's wait. When it's done loading, then each one will display and maybe you will choose. Okay, video A is ready. Okay, now you can see I will choose this. I'll choose video B because the video B have this Odogu gadget written at the entrance of the shop. Okay, so I will choose video B.
Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come
Okay,
on in.
okay.
Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come on in. Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come on in.
No,
Welcome to
if you
Odogu
don't like,
Gadgets and Text.
maybe
Come on in.
maybe something like here that you say welcome to
Welcome to
Odogu.
Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come on in.
You understand?
Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come on in.
Maybe you can edit anything here.
Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and
Wait,
Text. Come on in.
you can edit
Welcome to
something.
Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come on in. Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Text. Come on in.
Odogu tech, not text.
Welcome
Okay,
to Odogu
so
Gadgets.
let's go and copy the NC2. Okay,
Tech. Come on in.
you have to click this extend.
Welcome to Odogu
Okay,
Come on in.
okay. So let's go back and copy. Let's go and copy this from here. Yeah. Then go back.
Odogu is those laptops are in everything in tech.
Okay.
Welcome to Odogu
Okay.
Gadgets and Tech.
And you see
Come
how
on
she
in.
picked the phone slowly without acting like AI. So
Odogu
okay, let's pick this last one. Okay, second to last one.
is those laptops are in everything in tech.
Okay. You can use this method to advertise any types of product, be it skincare, any type of product, without paying people. You understand? So without paying all these influencers that will collect no less than 500k, 1 million to make an advert for you. So with this, using your face or as ChatGPT or Gemini to generate a good prompt for you. Okay, so let's watch this. You can save your money through this process. Okay, and you will thank me later.
Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Tech. Come on in. Odogu is those laptops that in everything in tech.
Okay.
These phones we imported just 2 days ago are premium quality, and I promise you'll love the experience. I give you my personal guarantee that you can use this phone for a full year. They are rugged. Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Tech.
Okay, I'll then have to pick the final part. Okay. Okay.
Tech, come on in.
Follow this process and you can twist it, make any type of advert you want free. If you can still get a like when advertising or let me say cars and other products outside, like the outdoor advert. So you can, and you want to make use drone to cover the product like cars and other other products outside. You understand? Then when writing your prompt, make sure you give ChatGPT the command to include a drone shot. You understand? The drone that will capture the whole product. You understand? And that will give your work a very beautiful work, and the result will come out amazing. I can promise you that. You understand? Okay, let's wait.
Welcome to Odogu Gadgets and Tech. Come on in. Odogu is those laptops that in everything in tech. These phones we imported just 2 days ago are premium quality, and
Okay.
I promise you'll love the experience. I give you my personal guarantee that you can use this phone for a full year. They are rugged, Zig, to top photo quality microphones. So why wait? Visit Odogu Gadgets and Tech today. Welcome to Odogu
See?
Gadgets and Tech.
So
Come on in.
everything they get acted professionally. You understand? So this is exactly what I wanted right from day one. You understand? So I have other things that I want to include in this prompt. I will go back to either to ChatGPT or Gemini. I will ask ChatGPT or Gemini to continue from where this one stop. You understand? So then she will continue advertising other products, bringing out many products inside the shop and advertising it to the audience. Okay, so with this method, you can advertise any product. You understand? So thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and please do well to subscribe. Thank you.